Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Radio Roamers. Today I'm testing out one of my favorite antennas I've got to use recently. This antenna is quick and easy to deploy. I've used it for countless parks and near activations and in the field. We're out in the woods, as you can see, in the middle of nowhere. Alright, so here is the whole antenna right here in this little pencil case I have. They also have a file on their website, hamradioduo.com, that you can print a case for it. I've just been using this pencil case for now. Everything you need for the antenna is in this box, except for the tripod, which we'll show here in a second. So what comes included in the kit is a 13-foot wire, counterpoise wire. And then we have the coil, which we'll show a closer picture of here in a second. And we'll also go through some specifics here in a second as well. And then the whip. And then two little tools to tighten it. So I'll get this set up and then we'll show you how well it works. Alright, so all you need to set this up is just a basic camera tripod. I picked this one up from Staples, I think, for like $15. And you can bend it around different things to get a better grip on it. But on the bottom of the antenna, we'll show a close-up picture of here in a second. It is a normal standard camera thread. And you'll just screw right there onto that. And there's that. And then you'll use the whip that comes with. Alright, so there it is, fully extended from the base. I know all tripods are going to be different. This is about 5, almost 6 foot tall right here. And then you'll use the radial wire they give you. And like I said earlier, this is 13 feet of radial wire. So I'll go ahead and set this up. Alright, so here we have a standard BNC connector. And then a lug where you can put your wire. You can also unscrew this and put your wire in there if you want to as well. But if you use the provided counterpoise, it works really well. So you just put that in there like that, and then with the radials, just throw them out, and you can get really good SWR. We'll show you here in a second with our meter. Okay, so we have our radio stuff set up here. I moved the coax around, and just by moving the coax, the SWR changes. So when we got down to like a 1.5, if you watch on the radio is reading a flat SWR, so that's perfect for us. The antenna is mostly resonant for CW, but I've heard by lengthening the radials or shortening the radials, you can also get resonant on sideband. But I only use this antenna for CW. Okay, so we got the radio set up here with our 3.5 amp hour battery, a speaker, and then our Bama TP3 key here. So I have the radio tuned to a frequency AA5JF, Andrew over in Georgia. So let's see if we can give him a shout. So as you saw, we just wrapped up working our friend Andrew AA5JF over in Georgia on this antenna right here. Now we're in the woods. There's some covering on us over here, but it worked really well. Also called CQ for a few minutes to show the RBN and how well we were getting out. I've used this antenna for countless activations as well. If you've seen any of our shorts, I've set up for probably almost 20 plus activations just on this antenna alone. And also have their new contraption, the 3D printed case for the QMX that I tested out as well, and we'll have a video over that before too long. And this antenna literally takes less than a minute to put up, and I'll show you how quick and easy it is to take down. Just take off your coax and your radial, and just be careful while you're putting the whip down. I like to put my hand on top and just push from the top down, and then unscrew right there, quick and easy, and push the whip all the way down. And then twist from the top or the bottom, not on the wire. And there it is, completely taken apart. Okay, so we just wrapped up making contact with Andrew over in Georgia. And I wanted to come over to the table and just show you for a few seconds everything that comes with this kit. So like I said earlier, this is just a cheap pencil case that I picked up, and it holds the antenna and my coax, everything just fine in here. Also, they have a file on their website, which we'll put a link to this in the description of everything that they have you can add on for this antenna. But everything that's included, first of all, is these two little adjustments, and you can, or these tools to do adjustments with, and we'll show you how to use those here in a second. And then the coil, which the whole entire coil, if you measure it, is only 6 inches in length. And then it comes with a whip, which is around 7 inches, and fully extended is 55 inches. And then it comes with the 13 feet of radial wire. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this short little review and testing of the Super Antenna by the Ham Radio Duo. I've used antenna for lots of activations and just playing around in the field with it. You can get the antenna from their website, hamradioduo.com, for $49, which is the one I bought already assembled, or you can get the kit for $29. I'd like to maybe get the kit eventually and test it out and play with it some more. I want to give a big thanks to Ham Radio Duo for making this product. I've really enjoyed it and can't wait to do some more activations and some more videos with it in the future. Thank you guys for watching. 7 3s, and God bless.